Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disconnect specific activity on your account center, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings. Now click personal details. Now here you'll find your information and permissions, click on it. Here you will find your activity of Meta Technologies, click on it. Here as you see you will find disconnect specific activity. Here just enter your password and click continue and keep going, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.